Hello and welcome to the 2021 winter concert of our 6th grade beginner band. We have a few audience members tonight, and I also want to thank those of you who are tuning in to our world premiere on YouTube. The group you see sitting in front of you is our 6th grade band. We also have about 10 more members who have just returned from virtual and will be joining us for our next concert. They are members of our audience today. We've prepared 4 pieces for you today with a special treat at the end. So without further ado, our 6th grade beginner band. One, two, ready, One, two, ready, play. As our percussion section gets set for our next piece of music, I'm going to take a second to kind of let you know what our daily routine in band class is like. These students have been playing for about 9 weeks. They were able to work through these numbers in the books starting at that very beginning where we spent 2 days putting our instruments together. Just 9 short weeks ago, they weren't sure what they were going to play. So we've come a very long way in a short period of time. And it looks like they're about ready. So here's our next piece. One, two, ready, play. As you can probably see, our percussionists are rotating around the back section. That's because our percussionists aren't just drummers. They learn to play multiple instruments. For example, today we have bells, snare drum, triangle, suspended cymbal, and bass drum. And they all get a chance to play all of those during class, and then we assign those for the concert. Here is our 4th piece from the book. today, the students wanted to show you an example of what we do on our Fun Fridays. We often have soloists who have worked to put together pieces on their own, and we also work on some fun, recognizable tunes as a class. So they decided this was the one they wanted to end their concert with today. One, two, ready. Thank you again for our audience members and also those who are tuning into our big world premiere tonight on YouTube. We appreciate all your support. Even if the concert is a little unorthodox, my students are super excited to get to perform. So thank you again for coming.